Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a data science workflow with RapidMiner, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading and installing RapidMiner from the official website. Open RapidMiner to reveal the main interface. Familiarize yourself with the workspace, toolbars, and panel options provided. Create a new project by selecting New Process from the File menu. In the New Process, utilize the Operators panel to search for necessary functions. Start with data import by dragging the read CSV operator into the workspace. Configure the operator by selecting a CSV file from your local directory. Click on the Execute button to load the data into RapidMiner. Inspect the dataset in the Output panel to ensure it has been imported correctly. Next, drag the data preparation operator into the process. Use operators like replace missing values or normalize as needed for data cleansing. Connect the operators in the workflow by linking their outputs to inputs accordingly. Once your data is prepared, add a modeling operator, such as decision tree. Configure the modeling operator with parameters relevant to your analysis goals. Now, connect the data preparation output to the modeling input. To evaluate your model, add a cross-validation operator in the workflow. Connect the modeling operator to the validation operator. Select the appropriate performance metrics to assess your model's effectiveness. Execute the entire process to generate results. Review the results in the Results panel for insights and performance metrics. If necessary, iterate through your workflow to make improvements based on findings. Finally, save your project regularly to avoid data loss and retain your progress. Export your results or models using the appropriate export operators for further analysis. This completes your basic data science workflow using RapidMiner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.